Hooray! Spice don't get the Grammy. Spice don't get the Grammy. A bay, say bay. Spice don't get the Grammy. Spice don't get the Grammy. A bay, bay, bay. Now this is what you do. Say bay, just like this. Bay, bay. Just stick out your tongue and let's go at it. Bay. So come on now, let's do it. Spice don't get the Grammy. Spice don't get the Grammy. Woo! Bay. Say bay. Spice don't get the Grammy. Spice don't get the Grammy. Woo! No way, no way. A bay. Bay. And I hate nobody, you know, but she always go on like say she are the only person whose shit don't stink. And that's the thing about her that, you know, me not like, you know. Seriously though, if somebody come out and say congratulations on winning the Grammy, and each you know you ain't even deserve to win the Grammy, but I try to make the thing look good because everybody was dogging you and you couldn't say thank you. At least say thank you, Itch.
So you thought I was gone. I'm here to clean up dancehall. Watch out for me, Amari, in 2023. They shall run to the rock. The rock will cry out, no hiding place, no retreat, no surrender. Amari in 2023. Go tell it on the mountains, over the hills and everywhere that I shall rule in 2023. 2023? Yes, I'm the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. Amari DJ Mona Lisa in 2023. Watch out for me. Lyrics, we got it galore. Open sesame and let me in. Coming for the Grammy, you got the lock, I got the key.
Open sesame and let me in. Riddle me this. Yes, H. Run up your mouth and then you get legal about your blue. Talk about the head mad. Yes, listen.
Congratulations to our Nubian Queen Spice for winning the Grammy of 2022. We know that in our heart that you are the winner, and we just want you to know that all Jamaicans are proud of you. Congratulations, my love.
I don't leave this time, you gon' fucking tell me straight up. The manager's not gonna, the owner not gonna give it. Let me tell you.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker.